Alright guys, this is John with Louisiana Aquaponics. In a previous video, I mentioned that I was going to take off the dipper stick back here, bring it down, have it sandblasted and powder coated with a buddy I know of. So today's that day. It's been raining non-stop. In fact, today the sun finally broke out about 1, maybe 2 o'clock this afternoon. So I need to get this thing down. I need to get it to them and get it done so I can get it back on here, and hopefully we're going to have several days of dry weather. So I was hoping to do some tilling and remove some more ground. So since I don't need the backhoe on it, I'm going to have the tiller. I want to get this dipper stick off and get it down there, let them do their thing. fast and easy. A heck of a lot faster than I thought. And one thing I did have to do was I had to take my ram, give me as much hose slack as I could, and because these things are under pressure when it was running, I went ahead and killed it. I had to flip these sit on top, and it wouldn't have fit in because it's got extra welded plates on the inside, so it wouldn't fit in that way because it had to go down. The ram had to go down too low for these to clear that plate right there. So on the inside here, there's another plate right here. These are welded onto the outside, and then the hoses has to clear underneath here. Well, they sit up so high that shove the ram down in between these two other plates, which knocks off, that looks like a good 1/8 of an inch on each side at least. So you're talking about 1/4 of an inch. So what I had to do was actually twist it, put the lines on the bottom in a narrow, that way the ram could fit up between here, and then you see it slid right out. So doggone, that was fast. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my pin back in here. I'm gonna put my pin back in the ram here. I'm gonna zip tie that ram down, and I'll lift it up slowly, and I'll zip tie this ram to the inside, and I'll show y'all what I mean by that. All right, c'est bon. It's done. All right, guys, so that's how you take the dipstick off your backhoe on a Massey Ferguson. A lot of these are pretty close to the same design. Imagine they probably work pretty close the same way, just as long as you got the clearance for the lines and that. And this works a lot better, because I'm gonna tell you, like I said, I ain't gotta worry about losing hydraulic fluid. I ain't gotta worry about air in the lines. I ain't gotta worry about none of that stuff. You know, everything is still safe and secure. Even if I was to bump the controls, which I'm taking the backhoe off anyway, so that won't happen. But even if I did, there's still plenty of play for it to kick up and down, just as long as I notice it before it gets to a damaging point. You know, it's all secure. It's done, and it's real simple. When I go back with it, I'll just snip my zip ties, and it's all loose again. Really quick, really fast. You know, and then work it back into that dipper stick. Now I just got to pick up all the mess, all the parts in that, store it up, and take the backhoe off, get my tiller on, and we'll be done. All right, guys, so this is John with Louisiana Aquaponics. I'll see y'all on the next one when we bring that thing down and get it sandblasted and powder coated. And then, you know, we'll get it back on here, see what it looks like.